hungry? I bet you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are, you little hungry mongry.
Now, where do they hide the grub around here? Perfect! Ooh, beans! Now you really will be full of them. Need a can opener. Why, aren't you just a healthy helperson today? Dinner is served, oh Captain, my Captain. Come on, buddy, eat up! They're good for you! Here comes the Galactic Star Cruiser filled with a payload of destructive laser beams! Pew, pew, pew! Pew, evasive maneuvers! Ah! Kadoosh! Oh, poor guy. Looks like somebody's ready for a nap. Look who came to visit you. It's Sleepy Weepy Betty Bear.
I love you, Captain Tim. I love you.
What a neat trick, Captain Tim! Can you do any others? I bet you can, I bet you can! Oh, a love bite. Come back here, I have one for you!
Wander, can you hear me? No. No! Wander. No! It should have been me! Why? Wander, I may have failed you, but as long as I live and breathe, I will avenge you. Computer, this is Captain Tim.
Greetings, Captain Tim. Will you be requiring more compliments on your handsomeness today?
I'm not here for compliments. I'm here to rid the universe of murdering monster scum! Activate self-destruct sequence!
Are you sure? This is totally for reals. No takesies backsies.
Yes, I'm sure! Totally sure.
Okay, cool. Self-destruct?
Confirmed!
Goodbye, Wander.
Heel, Captain Tim! Heel! Heel! Gotcha! Good heel! Now, who wants kisses? Who wants kisses? You do! You do! Ow! Ow! Ow!